Welcome to Burger Hut. What can I get started for you? Welcome to Burger Hut. What can I get started for you?
Can I get a double cheeseburger, please? Can I get a double cheeseburger, please?
Would you like to make that a meal with fries? Would you like to make that a meal with fries?
Yes, make it a large meal. Yes, make it a large meal.
What kind of drink would you like? What kind of drink would you like?
I'll take a large Diet Coke. I'll take a large Diet Coke. Coke.
Any sauces with your fries? Any sauces with your fries?
Can I get extra BBQ sauce? Can I get extra BBQ sauce?
Sure thing. Anything else for you today? Sure thing. Anything else for you today?
No, that'll be all, thanks. No, that'll be all, thanks.
Your total comes to $12.50.
Please pull up to the first window. Please pull up to the first window.
Will you be paying with cash or card? Will you be paying with cash or card?
I'll pay with card, please. I'll pay with card, please.
Please tap your card right here. Please tap your card right here.
Did the payment go through? Did the payment go through?
Yes, here is your receipt. Yes, here is your receipt.
Should I wait at the next window? Should I wait at the next window?
Yes, your food will be ready at window 2. Yes, your food will be ready at window 2.
Help. Thank you. Appreciate your help. Thank you. Appreciate your help.
Here is your fresh hot order, sir. Here is your fresh hot order, sir.
Is everything inside the bag? Is everything inside the bag?
Yes, and sauces are inside. All your burgers, fries side.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much. Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day. You're welcome. Have a great day.